Chris, you're talking about the idea that one of the more popular tools in the marketplace is the Ramset Viper 4. It's got a dedicated fiberglass pole with a rod inside. Problem with that is it doesn't have a pocket to store your wires, okay? If you do this all day long, you know that bending over to pick up a wire every time you need to make a fastening gets kind of old. But if I can hold 10 or 12 of them inside the pole here, it's a big improvement. So basically I just replace it. This little adapter here, I screw on here, and now this adapter allows me to use a Ramset Viper 4 if you have some of those in your fleet. But how about if you run into a job site with really hard concrete or very difficult steel to fasten into? We've got nitrocellulose available for you. Nitrocellulose is going to work in some of that hard concrete and some of that difficult steel application, and that just screws right onto the end of the pole also. So when you run into a job, instead of drilling and anchoring, maybe you try and shoot it with the nitrocellulose system.